This short video is going to look at viruses. We've looked at the other kingdoms, but viruses don't belong to any of these kingdoms because they're often classed as non-living because they don't carry out the main characteristics of life. Viruses are intracellular parasites which often cause disease. There's some examples on the slide here. Outside of a host cell, they show no signs of life and they are unable to replicate, they can't move themselves, and none of the other 7 characteristics of life that we saw earlier. Inside the host cell, however, they will take over the protein synthesis machinery of the host cell and DNA replication or RNA replication machinery and make more copies of itself. Viruses are not cells because they're not living. And instead they have what we call a protein capsid surrounding them, and this protein capsid consists of interlocking, repeating protein molecules. The protein capsid can be surrounded by a membrane that a virus picks up as it leaves the host cell. The capsid surrounds the genetic material of the cell. The genetic material can be DNA or RNA and contains the genes needed to make more copies of the virus. The virus will need to enter its host cell, and it often uses spikes or receptors to interact with proteins on the host cell membrane to trick the host cell into taking up the virus into its cell.